Welcome back to Tech Goods, the channel where we bring you honest and detailed reviews of the latest tech and home appliances. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our weekly content. In today's video, we are diving deep into one of the most innovative laundry solutions on the market right now, the LG single-unit front-load wash tower with center control, model WKEX200HBA. This isn't just another washer and dryer combo. It's smart, powerful, space-saving, and designed with modern homes in mind. If you're thinking of upgrading your laundry setup, this video is for you. The LG WashTower stands out right from the start with its all-in-one design that combines a front-load washer on the bottom and a dryer on top, packaged into a single vertical unit. This design helps you save valuable floor space compared to traditional side-by-side machines. LG claims it uses only half the functional floor space, which gives you room for other additions like a sink or folding station. One of the smartest design features is the center control panel, which places both washer and dryer controls at a comfortable height in the middle of the unit. This eliminates the awkward reach typically required with stacked appliances and gives the user easy access to all controls. From a design standpoint, the LG WashTower is both sleek and solid. It features premium tempered glass doors that enhance the unit's modern aesthetic and provide added durability. Inside, LG uses Nevrust stainless steel tubs instead of cheaper materials like porcelain or plastic. This not only helps avoid chips and nicks that can damage your clothing, but also ensures the unit stays looking new even after years of use. LG has also paid close attention to quiet operation. The True Balance anti-vibration system and direct drive motor work together to minimize noise and keep the machine stable during washes, making it ideal for laundry rooms located near bedrooms or living areas. Despite its compact footprint, the LG WashTower offers impressive capacity. The washer has a 4.5 cubic feet capacity, while the dryer provides 7.4 cubic feet. That means you can handle larger loads and reduce the number of cycles you need to run. Whether you're washing bulky bedding or a family's weekly laundry, this unit gets the job done without breaking a sweat. The vertical single-unit design cleverly hides its full-size capacity, so you don't have to compromise space for performance. One of the most impressive aspects of the LG WashTower is its smart functionality powered by artificial intelligence. The built-in AI can detect the type of fabric, load size, and soil level to automatically choose the best wash and dry settings. This removes the guesswork and helps ensure your clothes get the care they need. The washer can even communicate with the dryer to select the appropriate drying cycle automatically. For households dealing with allergies, the AAFA certified allergen cycle is a welcome addition, reducing over 95% of common allergens and providing a more hygienic laundry experience. When it comes to actual performance, the LG WashTower delivers excellent results. It uses TurboWash 360 technology in the washer, which uses multiple high-pressure nozzles to clean clothes faster and more thoroughly. Steam technology is also present to help lift tough stains, eliminate odors, and reduce wrinkles. On the drying side, AI Sensor Dry helps detect moisture levels and adjust the drying time accordingly. Turbo Steam in the dryer further enhances wrinkle reduction and refreshes garments quickly. There is also a Wrinkle Care option that gently tumbles clothes for up to 3 hours after a cycle ends, helping to prevent wrinkles when you can't unload right away. Smart home integration continues with LG's ThinQ app, which allows you to control and monitor your laundry remotely. With the app, you can start or stop a cycle, receive real-time updates, and get alerts when maintenance is needed through ThinQ Care. You can also download extra wash cycles and check energy usage reports. This level of connectivity is ideal for busy households that want convenience, flexibility, and better control over appliance health and energy use. The LG WashTower is not just smart in its features, but also in how it handles maintenance and energy usage. It is Energy Star certified, meaning it meets strict guidelines for energy efficiency. This helps reduce utility bills without sacrificing performance. Features like FlowSense duct clogging and lint filter indicators keep you informed when it's time to clean your ducts or filters. Regular maintenance not only improves performance, but also extends the life of your machine and lowers the risk of safety issues. Backing it all is LG's 10-year limited warranty on the direct drive motor, which adds peace of mind and reflects the company's confidence in its engineering. In real-world use, the LG WashTower earns high marks from consumers. One user commented that they love their new washer and dryer because they work well, are quiet, and efficient. Another simply said, "Thank you, I love my washer and dryer." These short but sincere statements echo the feedback we've seen across multiple platforms. The unit is easy to use thanks to the intuitive control panel and built-in intelligence. The performance is consistently strong, and the quiet operation makes it suitable for homes of all sizes. Now let's summarize the key advantages and a few limitations. On the positive side, the WashTower features a compact vertical design that saves space without sacrificing capacity. The ultra-large washer and dryer capacity means fewer loads. The center control panel is placed at an ideal height for easy access. AI technology handles wash and dry settings automatically, and smart features like ThinQ and ThinQ Care offer remote management and alerts. The unit is also quiet, stylish, and backed by a strong warranty. On the downside, the premium design and features come with a higher price tag. Some users may also find the height of the dryer a bit challenging depending on their height, and Wi-Fi setup is necessary to access all smart functions. After spending time with the LG single-unit front-load WashTower WKEX200HBA, it's clear that this is one of the best all-in-one laundry solutions on the market. It combines space-saving design with high-end features and powerful performance. From AI intelligence and steam cleaning to smart connectivity and sleek aesthetics, this unit covers all the bases. It's a great choice for families, professionals, or anyone who wants to make laundry less of a chore and more of a streamlined process. If you're willing to invest in long-term convenience, efficiency, and quality, the LG WashTower is absolutely worth considering. Thanks for watching today's review on tech goods. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you stay updated on all our latest reviews. We'll be back soon with more in-depth content on the best tech and appliances for your home. Until then, stay smart and stay efficient.